Right, today guys, we are going to be making some art. Yeah, it's kind of different, but we're going to be drawing some art. Let's do this. Right, this is brand new paper, so I'm going to be using it to do my drawing of, but I haven't figured that out yet, but I'll see you whenever I've opened. Time to do our waterfall. Now, we are going to be doing it like this, so I am just going to do bop, bop. Okay. Mine isn't straight, but you can make yours straight. And I'm gonna do this because well, you'll see in a minute. I'm just gonna do this. Right. And then I would do this, but if you don't want to do that, that's fine. Right. And then we are going to do this. Like that. Okay. Like that for like the stripes on it. Okay. Now, what I would like to do would be probably the trees. But first, I'm going to do this like this because it's a hill. And I'm going to be like this. Okay. And then I'm going to draw this. Draw trees behind it. And then I'm going to keep doing the same thing over and over. Now you won't want to watch me, but you probably will want to pause it right now so you can do the trees. So I'm going to just fast forward it to when I'm done with this. And then that's done. Now I would do this side for the trees. So, right, and there it is. Now, after we've done the trees, I would do the sun. So, I'm just going to draw a circle like so. And bop, and then like this. Okay. And then I'm going to do the red. Right, so flower time. Right, so let's see. Okay, now I'm going to do this one. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other side. I'm done with that. Now I'm going to do the lines. Right, and that is it. I am not going to color in because I do not want to show you how to color in. You can do your own coloring. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.